How's it going, everybody? Hope you're having a wonderful day. Today's video is going to be kind of a short one. It's just something that I was sitting in here and I stumbled across that I had been looking for, and I thought I had lost it, but I found it. And what is that? Well, we'll get right back to it. Now what I have is a disc that I bought, and I've had it probably 10 or 15 years, and I bought it specifically because of this car right here. I got tired of looking, trying to look on the internet to find parts, part numbers, part names, and all that. So to speed this video up, and without further ado, here's what I have. It is a disc. Let me get the light over here where you can see it. It's Chevrolet Camaro parts manual for Z28, lt1, ls1, ss, 1993 to 2002. I've been looking for it just because I knew I had it, number one, and number two, I was wanting to look up some stuff on the car. So I was trying to find it, and I found it. I can't believe I found it after, what, 12 years now? So I've probably had this a little bit longer. I've probably had it more like 15 years, 20 years. But will it work in this computer? Let's find out. Now the system I'm working with is about a 3-year-old Dell XPS. So let's see if it works. Open it up. Insert the disk. Close it. Let's see what happens. Well, it recognized it. DVD RW drive. It's got the disk number in there, so let's go down and see if it will actually open up. Let's see, RW right there. Be this one. Wow, Camaro wallpaper. I didn't even know I had that. But parts manual, PDF file. Let's open it up and see what we get. Wow, it's actually working. It's actually still reading. Get this light out of your eyes. And it'll take a second. Like I said, the reason I was looking for this, I got tired of looking for parts and stuff. We're still on today's computers and Google search and everything. It's a lot easier to find, especially if you belong to a couple forums. But I had the disc, and I just wanted to see if it would work. So I'm going to give it a minute to load up, and then we'll be right back. Well, lo and behold, here it is. I can't believe it. It gives you the illustration index because it gives you a lot of pictures. Tells you where to find what you look for, like cover for the transmission converter, all kind of stuff. As you can see, here's the engine block, which would be the lt1 for my car. It gives you a reference number, like 141, 143, whatever. And you can go down here and look up the actual part. Just say, like, if we wanted to know, I don't know, 141. Let's scroll down, look for 141, which will be right there. And it's the bearings for the camshaft. It gives you the years, it gives you the engine, L32. It even gives you the original part number. This thing is super cool. I'm glad I found it. Gives you wiring harnesses, just every detail about the engine. Then you go into the V6s and you just keep on scrolling, and it's still catching up. I mean, just look at that, exhaust, intake, everything, injectors, the original part numbers. Wow, I can't believe this is still working. I am not going to lose it this time. I'm going to keep it on my desk so it does not get lost. Let's scroll down. As you can see, it's got the transmission, it's got the flex plate, the cover, the bolts, everything. This thing is just so cool. Like I said, I had forgotten it. I had it for a while. And here's the manual transmission with the flex plate and clutch and all that stuff on it. Like I said, it gives you the original part numbers and everything over here on the right. It gives you a description. It gives you sizes. It gives you everything that you need to know. And then just like this is the 5.7 for a 1993 F engine assembly. So 5.7 V8 part. 5 different manifolds could be used on this vehicle and fuel related parts, which is the LT1. F stands for LT1. Gives all the original part numbers. And it doesn't just cover engines and transmissions. As you can see, it's got the original shifter, it's got the exploded view, and I can zoom in on this if I want to, make it as big as I want, and it's actually a detailed photograph. And there you can see there's the part numbers and everything, colors, everything. Need to know what's inside your automatic transmission, and this happens to be a 1994 M30 transmission, which is actually a 4L60E. Here you go. Look at that. Detailed and exploded every part that's in it. Want to know what's behind your dash? What's in your dash? Instrument cluster parts, wiring harnesses, relays, switches, all that. It's all in here. It actually is 1,395 pages of information. And I know it doesn't seem like much, and you can find all this out on the internet, I know. But it takes a while to do that. With this thing, I can go right to it. I need to actually see if they make one for my new car, my 5th gen. But it's just an invaluable source of information. Center consoles, all the parts there. I can't believe that I found this. The keyless entry information for 96 to 2002 if you have it. Mine is a 93, so I don't have that luxury, but hey, I don't care. Rubber gaskets and seals, T-tops if you are so inclined to have T-tops. Just everything that you can think of. Weather stripping, seats, numbers for the cushions, numbers for the bolts, your front electric seats, the motor part numbers, everything that you need for that. Oh man, you guys have no idea how happy I am finding this after looking for it for so long. Your inside mirror with your rear dome light, the switch to operate everything, your clutch pedal, master cylinder, everything, the lamps, the little push button for the door whenever you shut the door, the little weather stripping that goes, little weather seal that goes around it, the plunger itself with the wiring harness, more weather stripping. Oh, what was that? There's your emblems, your side molding. Need a number for an original spoiler? Alright, here you go. Number 2. Let's see what number 2 is. Number 2 is 10A11 spoiler kit and in the original part number. Man. Need a front fascia spoiler for the RS. There you go. The side trim for it. Badges, just everything you need. The struts for the rear hatches, it's all here. Look at that. Let me zoom in one more time for you. Like I said, I can make it as big as I need to. I can't believe I found it. Yes. Even the original Camaro window decal for your front windshield. How cool is that for the SS? How cool is that? Need the plastic panels for the inside of your car. The guys at the local GM Chevy dealership can't find it because if you don't know exactly what it's called, they can't find it without a part number. Well, here you go, part number galore. Everything you need, actuators for the rear hatch, everything. The rear sail panels, the wiring harnesses, the speakers, just everything. Everything from, there's your floorboard and every bit and piece that can go on it. Bracing, panels, everything. Here we have the sheet metal body for the engine compartment and dash. Here we have more sheet metal for the body and the 2-door and roof. Got the roof for the T-tops, the insides of the doors. But yeah, I just wanted to show you that this was actually out there, and I'm going to look on eBay right now and see if I can find another one, so that if I can, I'll post the link to that. So if you want to look and see if you're interested in it, or if I can't find it, if you wish to look for it for yourself. You've seen the opening to the video, you see what it's called, what it's about, And maybe you too can find something like this. This is just so helpful to have it. It's like having a parts catalog in your hand. So cool. It shows you the exploded views on how everything goes together. Now I know if you belong to an expensive website like Identifix or something like that, then you can find these same drawings there. And you know, I'm not like, oh, I'm the only one that has this. No, I'm not like that by no means. I'm just saying that it is so cool to have this for myself personally, you know. But here you go, folding top actuator and everything. You got a convertible top, need the part numbers and everything. Here you go. Just an invaluable source of information. I'm gonna scroll on down real quick. And it covers everything from the seat belt restraints to the inflatable airbag system, the modules, all that stuff. I mean, this thing covers everything. It's like having a Chilton's parts book in your hands, because it's got everything. It is so cool, guys and gals. I can't believe it. I hate to keep saying that, but I'm just tickled. I don't know if you can tell that in my voice or not, but I am tickled to find this again. I thought I had lost it during the move, when we moved from South Carolina up to the house up here. I didn't know if I'd left it at the house down there and I was going to have to go down there and try to find it, or if I was going to just have to call it a loss, you know. You know how things are. Things just get missing when you move sometimes, but that's okay. Here's your carpeting so that you can see how it goes in, how it comes out, what holds it in, bits and pieces that you might want to order as you do your carpet, if you are going to do your carpet, which I'm going to be doing the carpet in mine here soon. So this will be invaluable to me. I can look and see, you know, what colors, because I can pull up my VIN number and my information out of the glove box and everything as far as colors and everything. But I already know that my color is graphite. I've already looked it up before, but it tells you it's twin pile carpet, graphite color. Gives you the original part number, which this is for 94 to 2002, so this ain't exactly mine, but it gives you everything you need. GoPro, stop recording. And then down here at the very bottom, it gives you some RPO definitions, like Z4C is the appearance package for the 30th anniversary. 101 interior trim, Arctic white. 121 graphite. 141 light gray, so on and so forth. So this is, like I said, a very invaluable bit of information, because it's got all the retainers, it's got the insulators, the tape that you need, panels, you know, just everything about this car. Now I jumped over to eBay real quick just to see if I could find one. There is one for a 67 to a 69, but there is not one for a 1993 to 2002, which kind of sucks. But at least now you know they exist, and you may be able to look and find one somewhere else, or keep looking on eBay. But I just wanted to make this real quick video to let you know that there actually is one, and to be on the lookout for it and what all it covers, because it covers everything about our favorite car, the 4th Gen Camaro. So I'd like to thank each and every one of you for stopping by and watching this short video. I know it's not real informative or nothing real fancy, but I just wanted, again, to let you know that it was out there. So until next time, get out there and enjoy your cars. I'm enjoying mine, even though I'm not in it. I'm sitting here thinking about it and looking at stuff about it. It's really cool. Until next time, thank you.